What is going on YouTube? And we have another Whatnot VHS haul. I got this new little blade. Oh, look at that. For Whatnot, I try not to go on there, but there's one, I can't remember the code. I'm sure it'd say like in the box somewhere. But they always have like really good deals, like super stuff goes really good price. They have like amazing stuff. And I was like, oh no, I won't buy anything, and then like, obviously I do. But anyway, so I thought I'd share with you what I got. Got some newspaper. And also got like a couple of really cool giveaways. They gave like, I won 2 things on the giveaways. Okay, first thing I won on the giveaway was a screen print. I love New York. Basically, if you buy something, your name goes in the pot and they draw it out. Because I bought like so much, I actually won 2 things. So that was cool. This was amazing. I'll just show this now because it's so good. Screen print. Look how cool this is. I won that. They sell it on their site for $50, but that is amazing. That's going in a frame. So try and get it signed. I hope some like Halloween people go to the Texas Frightmare or some convention that I'm attending. So, forgot to mention we have a brand new hats drop today. Crappy Halloween, available from our Etsy store, Lost Carton. Obviously we also have Fantasma House channel merch, but we shall get on with it. Look at this. First one. Cat people. I think I got one out for like $3. Amazing. So we have the cat people. Valley of the Dolls. Poor old Sharon on the front, Sharon Tate, those you don't know. It's funny because I used to have this years ago, like in the 90s. But with a big case, obviously in England. Now I'm in the US of A. Okay, this film I've never heard of, but it looked Ragdoll. You seen this film? What do you reckon? What do you reckon of it? Is it good? Looks pretty good. Ragdoll. Starman with the bit you open at the side. I just got it, I think I got it for like $3 or something like that. Not to be confused with David Bowie. Oh, I did get that. I can remember what I won and what I didn't. Okay, I forgot I got that one. Frankenstein, never seen it. But it is, it's got Carrie Fisher in it of all people. Let's move this camera around a little bit. Okay. Frankenstein with Carrie Fisher. Yeah, everyone seen it? What do you reckon? Any good? Write in the comments. Oh, I bought so much. Clash of the Titans, what a classic. Classic of the Titans. With the old school. I mean, this is how most of the cases were in the early days in England. Classic film. The original. Another classic. I remember some of the films I've got now. swear half of these I forgot that I won. I just thought I didn't win them. Phantom of the Opera, Robert England. Amazing. No idea where I'm going to put all these, but never mind. It's all fun and games, isn't it? Okay. Never heard of this, but the cover is amazing. Look at the cover, it's that shiny. You seen this? Trial of the Killer. Write a comment on it if you think it's any good. Think it's a lot of crap. Oh, I forgot about this one. Look at this red steel. Effects still sealed for $3. Brian Dennehy, love him. Is that like Effects Made by Illusion? Is that the same film, or is that like a sequel? I know there's a few of them. I don't have to look it up, but yeah, Effects. Brian Dennehy. And this is how it all started. They had this and nobody went for them, so I was like, run them again, and I got them. So I got these. Darkman 1. That's what's coming now, isn't it? Darkman 2. I mean, if you went to a Goodwill and you saw these for $3, what would you do? I mean, I'd definitely buy them. Well, I wouldn't, because Goodwill's $1, but you know what I mean. And can you guess what's coming next? Darkman 3. So I got all the Darkmans for $9. Okay. This one was a bit of a wild card. Nobody went for it. Black Caesar, sealed, $3. Boris Karloff, The Haunted Strangler. Very cool. Ah, I forgot I got this one. What a Witchfinder Drummer on VHS. How cool is that? Vincent Price, amazing. And we just have a few left. $3, The Exorcist, all day long, mate, all day long. I think it might be the Anchor Bay, can't remember. But it's obviously the old chunky case. But yeah, $3. Okay, we have 3 left. And actually completely forgot I won this one. Apparently it hasn't got the keyring or something, but it's Halloween. I got it like pretty cheap. I can't remember what the price was, but it was pretty cheap. But look at these tapes. I mean, look at that. Orange. How cool is that? Do they go in upside down? Well, they're on like 2 parts. But how cool is that? Amazing. Super cool. And these last 2 were had to get. Back in the days in the 80s, there used to be like video stores and well, obviously where you rent out films. And the one I used to go to, I used to know them, even though I was like underage, but they still let me get like whatever films I wanted. But they would have like the, you know, the big cardboard stands advertising the films. And if you got there first, you could write your name on the back, or tell them they would write your name on the back, and then when the film or when they finish with it, you could have it. So these last two are ones that I used to have cardboard stands of. So first up, Psycho 3. So I know it's not everyone's favourite, but I actually really like it a lot. I like the 4, 3, 4, not so much. But Psycho 3, just because I had that cardboard stand as well. Norman Bates is off his rocker. No, Norman Bates is back to normal, but his mother's off her rocker, if I remember. I don't even say it on the front, but that was on the stand. But yeah, well happy with that one. And then last but not least, another cardboard stand I had from the old VHS shop. H.P. Lovecraft, The Unnameable. I mean, how cool is that? On VHS. As soon as I saw it, he got it out, I was like, oh, need that. So cool. Love it. And basically this little picture on the front, that's the cardboard stand. It was like a life-size stand of her. I used to have it in my window at home. And for some reason I used to call it Gertrude. But yeah, as you do when you're young. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget, Crappy Halloween. Check it out, link in the description. See you later.